Okay, this is practice 5, number 2. Nicholas is at the Noah's Ark amusement park and preparing to ride the point of no return racing slide. At the top of the slide, Nicholas is 28.5 meters above the ground. At what height will his velocity be 16 meters per second, and assume no ED? Okay, all right, so we're going to, whoops, my tablet, not this thing. Okay, so let's make a picture first. Again, you're going to make yours up top, but I had to squeeze mine in right here. Okay. All right, so he's at some kind of top of some slide. Okay, I think we'll call the ground level EG equals 0. Okay, he's 28.5 meters above the ground. Okay, and at some point on the slide, they're telling us he's going to be moving at a speed of 16 meters per second, and I want to know how high that is. Okay, so position A will be top, and position B will be wherever he's going 16 meters per second at that height, whatever it turns out to be. Okay. All right, so let's ask ourselves the question at the beginning. All right, at position A, is he above the ground? Yep. Is he moving? We're going to say no because it doesn't say that he is, right? It says he's preparing to ride it. It doesn't say that he's moving. So I'm going to say no. No springs and no ED, and never at position A anyway. Even if there was, there's not ED. Okay, so this one's super easy because the entire thing is going to be EG. All right. Okay, I know that. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Okay, so the EG is going to be MGH. Okay, Nicholas's mass, it tells us, 72.6 kilograms times 10 newtons per kilogram times 28.5 meters above the ground. Okay, that is going to require a calculator. Make sure you have a calculator and you're bringing it every single day to class. 72.6 times 10 times 28.5. Because you really need practice at your calculator skills, okay? Because some of you guys mess up when it gets into the calculator. That's no good. Okay, 20,691 joules. So that's about 700 times 30. Yeah, that seems about right. Okay, so 20,691. Okay. Oh, yeah, 691. Okay. All right. I know the total is going to be the same in both positions, so I'm going to go ahead and put that over here, 2691. All right. And in position B, let's ask ourselves the questions. Is he above the ground? Probably. I guess it could turn out that he was at the ground, but I'm guessing not. Is he moving? Yes, because it asks for when his velocity is 16 meters per second. No springs, and it says skip the ED in this one. Okay. So mgh and 1/2 mv squared, okay? And I'm going to start with the kinetic energy because that's the thing that I know, because they've given me the velocity, which is 16 meters per second. Squared, don't forget to square it. Okay, and then I'm going to punch that in my calculator. Please make sure you're taking the time to do this step and punch it in your calculator, because if you're not, you're probably going to mess it up, and then you're not going to know why. Okay, I'm going to round this to 9293. Whoops, joules. Okay, let me just double check it again. 0.5 times 72.6 times 16 times 16. Yeah, 9293. Okay, all right. I know there's no EE, and I know there's no ED, so the total has to add up to 2691. So if I do 2691 minus 9293, that's going to tell me the part that's left over to be the EG, which is going to be 11,398 joules. Okay? That's going to be the leftover part, because this 9293 plus 11,398, that's going to give me the total. All right? So the mass is 72.6, G is 10 newtons per kilogram, and I'm trying to find the height. Okay? All right, so these, if I multiply together, that's going to be 726, so I'm going to get rid of that. Okay, and then my height's going to come out to be 11,398 divided by 726, which is going to be 15.7 meters. That seems reasonable. Done. Okay, all right, let's finish out the chart. A little more than half is EE, right? 11,000 out of 20, so slightly more than half is EG, and then the rest of it, slightly less than half, is EK. Okay, so slightly more than half is EG, slightly less than half is EK. All right, and there you go, number 2.